Welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. Today I am going to show you the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 was announced 2022 August 10, available released August 2022. Dimension 44.4 into 43.3 into 9.8 millimeter, 1.75 into 1.70 into 0.39 inch, weight 33.5 gram, built glass front, sapphire crystal, aluminum frame, eSIM supported, 50-meter water resistant IP68, compatible with standard 20mm strap, ECG certified blood pressure monitor, armor aluminum frame, does not guarantee ruggedness or use in extreme conditions. Okay, the display type is Super AMOLED display, 1.4 inch, resolution 450 into 450 pixels, 321 ppi density, protection sapphire crystal, always on display, operating system Android Wear OS 4, One UI Watch 5, chipset Exynos W920 5nm, CPU dual core 1.18 GHz, Cortex A55, GPU Mali G68. There is no memory card slot. Internal storage is 16 GB, 1.5 GB RAM. No camera. Loudspeaker supported. 3.5mm jack not available. Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN dual band, Bluetooth 5.2, A2DP, LE, positioning GPS, ground glass, Galileo, BDS, NFC also available. These are the back side of the watch. The display is really nice, and the phone is also slim and not that much weight. Simple. Those who prefer round shape simple watch, they can buy it. The battery type is Li-ion 410 mAh, 10-watt wireless charging supported. The graphite, silver, pink, gold and sapphire 4 colors variant available. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.